Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys talkback problem solve setting, how to solve talkback problem one by one and step by step. In this video friends we will talk about, so friends on your device you are not operating your oppo mobile, friends you have this problem, double tap activate problem. So how to fix double tap activate problem in oppo mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. First of all guys, use your two finger and open your phone setting. Phone setting, friends, use your one finger, one tap, and friends double tap, continue. Friends, click here Wi-Fi setting, use your two finger and scroll again. And friends, if you use one finger you cannot scroll, you cannot solve talkback problem. Use your two finger. Additional setting, friends, one tap, double tap, continue. Accessibility setting, friends, one tap, and friends double tap to activate setting. Talkback, double tap friends, and friends you can see talkback setting is on, so double tap here, stop button, friends double tap, problem is solved. And friends you can use your oppo mobile without talkback problem. Double tap, talkback problem solved. And friends now you can use oppo mobile without talkback. One finger friends you can on any setting, you can tap on your screen. And friends again, if you on talkback, after on friends you want to solve talkback problem with shortcut setting. So how to solve talkback problem with shortcut setting? Unlock your phone. After unlock your phone, use your two finger, one tap on phone setting and double tap on phone setting. Friends click here search option, double tap here, and friends search here talkback setting. Talkback setting, friends one tap here, double tap, continue. Friends direct you can solve talkback problem with shortcut setting, double tap, stop button, double tap, talkback problem solved. And friends now you can use your oppo mobile without talkback problem. So like that friends we can fix talkback problem in oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And friends you don't know what is talkback, how to use talkback, so friends you can see how to use talkback. Friends you can use with double tap, one tap double tap to back, one tap double tap to on home screen setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.